ready to ditch the procrastination monster and finally get things done. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Asana to conquer procrastination and stay on top of my goals. First, create a new project in Asana for whatever you're working on. This could be a work project, personal goal, or anything else. Next, break down your project into smaller, manageable tasks instead of just writing complete presentation. Try create presentation outline, research competitors, design slides, practice delivery. Small tasks feel less daunting. Now, assign due dates to each task. Be realistic. Also, prioritize tasks using Asana's priority feature. Identify what's urgent, important, and less critical to focus your energy where it matters most. Use Asana's calendar view to visualize your deadlines and plan your week. Seeing everything laid out helps prevent last-minute scrambles and keeps you accountable. As you complete tasks, mark them as done. Asana's progress tracking features visually show your momentum, which is a fantastic motivator to keep going. If you're working with a team, assign tasks to specific people and use Asana to communicate. This ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and eliminates confusion. Regularly check your My Tasks view to see what's on your plate for the day. Focus on completing one or two high-priority tasks each day to make consistent progress. And that's it. By breaking down your projects, setting deadlines, prioritizing tasks, and tracking your progress in Asana, you'll be well on your way to beating procrastination and achieving your goals. Happy productivity!